Welcome to RØDE NT. This video is actually a bit unusual because we will be unboxing the RØDE NT-USB MINI mic. And yes, it's pronounced Rode. There's actually a pretty funny tweet from Rode themselves about how to pronounce and how to type their name on your keyboard. I will link this one in the description below. By the way, the voice you're hearing right now is already recorded on the new mic. So the reason we're doing all this is that I was reading your comments and a bunch of you complained about the audio quality, actually the volume. So I was able to increase the volume level already, but this came with a loss in quality, so I decided to go for a new mic, and it's the RØDE NT-USB MINI. There's actually also a RØDE NT-USB out there. That's the classy one. It's a bit more expensive and much bigger and has a bit more wobbly kind of fixture, so I've preferred the Mini. But let's take a look on the mic itself. You can already see it's pretty small. You can take it in your bag or whatever, so that's something I would like a lot because I'm traveling a lot. And also it feels quite nice. It's a heavy feeling, it's nice build quality, so this looks all pretty nice. The price is actually below $100. I bought it at $80 or something like this, so that's pretty reasonable for such a nice quality mic. Once you unbox it, you can already feel that it has a pretty heavy stand, a pretty heavy foundation, and it comes with a cable. It's actually a USB to USB Type-C cable, and there's nothing else in the box. It's only the mic, including the stand, which we will talk about in a second, and the cable to connect it to your computer. Something I was really surprised and really happy about, because that was something I wasn't able to check out properly in the beginning before I bought it, is that the connector at the mic itself is a USB Type-C port, as you can see right here. So you can go with a USB Type-C to USB Type-C to connect it to your laptop in case you're already working only with USB Type-C, which is great. But of course you can also use the USB Type-A cable to connect to your laptop. But I guess once you're on USB Type-C, you have a bunch of USB Type-C to USB Type-C cables around anyway. You can also see you have a headphone jack, 3.5mm headphone jack, standard headphone jack, so you can plug in every other headphone into the mic itself if you want. The reason for this is that you have the possibility to output the audio in real time from the mic directly without going through your computer, which would actually end up with a bit of latency. But let's take a look on the stand, because this pops off magnetically. So that's only a magnet built into the stand, so you can pop it off quite easily. And as you can see, you can screw the mic to any standard kind of fixture or holder or stand or whatever you want, in case you don't want to have it standing right on your desk, which I have as of right now, by the way. So even though this popping on and off seems a bit like a struggle in my video here, it's because I tried to do it with one hand and then I played a little bit around with the magnets, and actually it's working more decently than it seems to be in the video, and you just need to get a feeling for it, and from there on it's pretty good. It's sturdy, it's standing there pretty nicely and solid, and as you can see here, there's kind of this special shape, so it locks into the stand, so this will be connected properly and not like moving around while you try to record. You can use the cable and you see different angles, and you can see that it's working fine. So that's basically all you can say about a mic. Everything else you are actually listening to right now, so you can get your own opinion about this. You have the volume button in the front, you have the headphone jack and the USB Type-C connector in the back, and that's basically all it needs. So I hope the audio quality improves on my videos, so make sure to be subscribed, give a thumbs up to listen to more definitive audio by the RØDE NT-USB MINI. Thanks for watching and see you next time.